Hey guys, I'm back. Just wanted to see this sign. It's starting to get dark. We're losing light and getting more rain. But anyway, check it out. Can you read it? Oh, there it is. It's kind of blurry. It says, Florida Keys residents, evacuation underway. I think that already happened. They forgot me. Oh, there goes somebody. Zoom. There's another human on the road. That's weird. Anyway, that was a little short broadcast. I'm going to pause real quick. I'm going to check over the ocean side now. And ocean side usually gets a lot of wind on that side, so we might see a little different stuff over there. By the way, Millie, your house is fine as wine, frog's hair, and all the rest of that good stuff. Wes, your house is fine. Everything's beautiful. A couple of screens out, a little piece of fence down, but it's beautiful. Millie, you ain't got nothing wrong going on there, girl. You're all right. So that's what's going on. My place is okay. John's place is okay. Billy's place is okay. Hey, you know what? We're gonna be all right. But yeah, you can see those clouds the way they're just kind of rotating up there, man. They're all going to that, following around that girl's eye. Ooh. Anyway, I don't think her eyes are all that pretty. But we're coming by here now. Let's see here. We're coming by the school. Coming by the school here. Slow down during school. I don't think school's out right now. But yeah, there's school. Still standing. Still standing. I'm still standing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Anyway. Wandering down the road here. Okay, coming by our park. This is Rouse Marina Park. And we're going to show some major events here. This place here is going to be rocking and rolling to the stage. We had 9,000 people here for 4th of July. Right, Harry? All right, man. We're going to be doing some big things. Like maybe the Coco Loco Festival. Watch out. We're going to have a canvas village and everything, man. It's going to be awesome. Everybody from, there's coconuts going to be there, from rum to food. You know, we're going to make it happen. A lot of cool stuff going on. The RV park is empty. I wonder why. Lightweights. Okay, here we come. World famous Caribbean Club. And again, I sing the song. I'm still standing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Take a ride down here. Take a look at what's going on at the crib. Well, crib's looking mighty fine. I'd open the window for a second, see what's going on, but crib's looking mighty fine. These docks are a little higher. They were rebuilt from a previous storm, so they built them a little higher. Those other docks have been there for a long time. The ones you saw about down close to the water there, so they're older docks and they were built lower. But, you know, they're trying to, between what it is, I don't have a freaking idea, but anyway, all I can say is we can build a dam around our place. Or stick it on a hydraulic jack and jack her up. Key Largo, you know, we're here. We're high, you know, no pun intended there. And you know what? It's going to be a rainy night in Georgia, or in this case, Key Largo. And I think it's 4:20 time. Yeah, man. And it's also 5:30 somewhere, you know that. So be safe, drink, and do that other thing responsibly. And also make sure you take your meds. Stay calm, be safe, all's good. We've got another band coming through. It's all good. Alright, I'm going to sign off for a minute and I'll get back, see if I can show you anything else here. I'm on my way back to the house now. Alright guys, ciao for now, love y'all.